Hello everyone, my name is Carissa and I'm a sophomore student at the Markstay-Warren Public Library. And today I'm going to be showing you a how-to on career cruising. So first, we're going to start off by Googling our Markstay-Warren Public Library website. So you're going to type Markstay-Warren Public Library in your Google search bar. Then you're going to scroll down and find our library homepage. Once here, you're going to want to find our online resource tab. Next, you're going to want to scroll down and find our careers bar. In our careers bar, you're going to find a link to career cruising. This link will take you directly to their website. Once on the Career Cruising website, you must now enter your library card number. I entered my own personal library card number for this step. Now you will be entered on their site. On the Career Cruising website, you will be able to explore job interests, create your resume, find jobs, and you will be able to explore education opportunities. You also have different tabs at the top. You will be able to find and take quizzes to be able to explore what jobs are good for you and what interests you. Next, you will be able to do job searches and program searches to see what interests your needs. Then you will be able to do school searches to see what schools in Canada might be right for you. You will also be able to see US schools and apprenticeships. Next, you will see that there is a jobs tab, and in this tab, you'll be able to explore work ethics, you'll be able to find jobs, and you will also be able to build your resume. To build your resume, you have to have a MyPlan account. If you already have a personal account, you can log into your account. Or, if you do not already have an account, you can sign up for free. To sign up for free, you need to put your first and last name, your area of education, from kindergarten all the way to university or other, as well as your email, and then after that, you need to put a username and a password to be able to log in. And this completes our how-to on career cruising. Career cruising is a simple setup that helps you explore education opportunities and makes your future a lot easier. If there are any more questions about career cruising, or any other of our online resources, feel free to contact the library through our email or our phone number at 705-599-2665 or 705-599-3009. Thank you so much for watching our video.